Damn. Well, he.
I want to know why I haven't got no stamp. This is like a novelty helmet. This ain't like a. You feel me?
And that's just split, bro. Bro, today is like the perfect day to ride. Like it's 70 degrees. The sun ain't really out, but it's out. Like it's enough light so we can see, but it ain't too shiny. And just look at everyone. Let's go. Look at everyone we got here, bro. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can see his wheel right now, but that thing is so dented, dog. Look at that front wheel. Hit that brake! Oh my god! Hey! That scared the hell out. Bro, look at that front wheel thing. You ain't sketched out with your front wheel like bouncing?
Nigga, I just. No, like.
No, earlier. Yeah, earlier today.
I'm trying to learn how to turn.
You good?
Yeah.
Whew.
It's not part of the game, bro.
Nah, I feel that, bro.
I was trying to turn.
Yeah.
Like, yo.
Does it feel sketchy with that thing bouncing though? The wheel?
No. When I'm up, it don't matter.
Ah.
This is when I'm land riding.
I thought it maybe like pull you around. Nah. Hey, well, you still killing it.
Go ahead.
You say what?
I almost smacked the drone.
Bro, he gets close. So close. Ooh, someone just went down. That's not good. That's gnarly, bro. You never want to see anyone go down. And he was on the DRZ. But to be honest, just seeing how the bike is, I don't think he went down too bad. Damn. Well, he hit hard.
I haven't got no stamp. This is like a novelty helmet. This ain't like a. You feel me?
No, yeah. It's just like a plastic shell. That's what he was saying. He was like, them plastic half helmets. Bro, so as y'all can see, bro, this is like a plastic half helmet. And I don't think it's DOT approved. And that's just split, bro. Dude, that's gnarly, bro.
This boy right here.
Yeah, that's why, hey, always wear your helmets, even for y'all, because y'all are learning. I'm telling you, it's just a matter of time till you go down. Yeah, that's why, bro, the helmet, bro, that will save your life. Boy, chillin'. He said, I'm gonna swerve 100 grand Mike, bro. No, I know, but you're looking comfy today. What's your YouTube? Shout it out.
100 grand Mike, man.
You already
go buy that shit. We outside.
Bro, you already know. 100 grand Mike, he got his YouTube, and yeah, he be wildin'. So if you don't want to see that wild footage that I can't really post, you already know. Check out his channel, bro. And he doing giveaways. He just gave away like $100. So woo! You doing any giveaways soon?
Hey, let's give away.
You already heard it, $200.
Let's go. Hey, make sure y'all like this video, subscribe. Shout out MotoBroo.
Let's go. Yes, sir. We in the background chilling. Let's go. Boy, flossing on that quad, bro. Let's see it. Oh, on this little baby two-stroke, bro. What happened? Damn. It's locked in there right now? Jeez. Yeah, bro, that looks... Oh, that's gonna be a pain. Bro, what happened?
Whatever, back outside.
That's what I'm saying. I'm glad to see you out here, dog.
I gotta come out today.
Yeah, 100%. Homie, straight from the pound, bro, to the lot, dog. Let's go. Boy, getting it. Yo, that bit was close. That was so close, dude. Did that drone hit you?
No, but it was like right here.
That was so close. Bro, I was like, what the hell, dude? I swear it like bounced off him. I'm gonna pull up with homie, bro. Okay. Sheesh. We got everyone outside. Let's go. So let's go. We outside. We got Schmo right here. He's on his big Suzuki. Why does he get Suzuki? Bro, I gotta ask him, dude. Every bike he has a RMZ, like 2-stroke Suzuki. He loves them. I ain't gonna lie, the yellow looks good. Why did you choose Suzuki for all your bikes?
Yo, they told me if I buy this 450, they'll give me that 85 for free.
What? Okay, that's a deal. That's a deal. Oh boy, let's go. Quad boys going crazy right now. Oh! Yeah, both of them are flossing. Yes, sir. Woo, DRC power. Let's go. Woo! You already know Rib Turtle, the freaking quad goat. No way. Stop it, bro. Stop it, bro. Stop it, bro. This boy chilling. Yes, sir. Crooks. He got the Crook shirt on and everything. Matching his bike. Bro, he literally fully matching it. Oh! Like I was saying, he fully matching his bike. Shoes, hoodie, hat. You crazy? Yo, bye-bye. There's no way he keeps this thing going, bro. There's no way. No way. No way! Let's go! Yeah, he just completed this lot, bro. There's no other quad rider who can shred this lot like Rip Turtle, bro. He just took it over, dog. He officially owns this lot, bro. Yes, sir. Yeah. What? Bro, he owns this lot. Let's see that work. On the Supermoto. Oh, let's go. You gotta drop it down again, brother.
What's up?
You're from Pennsylvania?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. That's sick. You're killing it. So I think Popo showed up, bro. Let's see what they say, bro. Man, we're just trying to have some fun. We're just trying to enjoy the beautiful weather that we got going on right now. God damn it, bro. Damn.
Do what
got permission to be here. Said no, like, you're not allowed to be here unless you have permission to be here. I said, is somebody calling us? She said, yeah, the property owner.
Damn. Well, alrighty gang, I hope you enjoyed today's video. As you see, we got kicked out. Freaking, they don't want us having fun out here. Remember, stay motivated. We got some bangers coming soon. He said, yo, I'm just gonna keep shredding. Hey, till next time, gang. Peace.